As you sow, so shall you reap. As you sow, so shall you reap. After explaining the meaning of this proverb, it teaches how to apply it to life, overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video tutorial where we will be discussing the age-old proverb, as you sow, so shall you reap. This powerful saying has been around for centuries and carries a significant meaning, reminding us that our actions have consequences, and the results we achieve in life are directly related to the choices we make. In this tutorial, we will explore how to apply this proverb to our lives, overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success. So let's get started. First, let's examine the meaning of, as you sow, so shall you reap. This proverb essentially means that our actions and decisions are like seeds we plant. The seeds we sow will ultimately determine the type of harvest we reap. If we consistently make good choices and put in the necessary effort, we can expect positive outcomes. Conversely, if we neglect our responsibilities or engage in harmful behavior, we cannot expect to achieve our desired results. Now that we understand the meaning behind this proverb, let's discuss how to apply it to our lives. The first step is to become more mindful of our actions and decisions. This means pausing before we act and taking the time to consider the potential consequences of our choices. By thinking ahead and evaluating the possible outcomes, we can make better decisions that will lead to more favorable results. Another essential aspect of applying this proverb is to cultivate positive habits. Our habits are the small, seemingly insignificant actions we take each day that ultimately shape our lives. By developing good habits, we can ensure that we are consistently sowing seeds that will lead to success. This includes habits like waking up early, exercising regularly, eating well, and maintaining a positive mindset. In addition to cultivating positive habits, it's crucial to overcome the difficulties that we encounter in life. Challenges are inevitable, but how we respond to them determines our success. When faced with adversity, it's important to remember the proverb, as you sow, so shall you reap. This serves as a reminder that if we choose to persevere through challenges and maintain a positive attitude, we can ultimately transform our difficulties into opportunities for growth and success. As we work towards achieving our goals and overcoming obstacles, it's also essential to focus on attracting luck. Now, you may be wondering, how can I attract luck when it's something that's out of my control? The truth is, luck is not entirely random. By making good choices and maintaining a positive mindset, we can actually increase our chances of encountering lucky opportunities. This is because when we are consistently sowing seeds of positivity and hard work, we are more likely to reap the benefits of fortunate circumstances. Finally, let's discuss how following the principle of, as you sow, so shall you reap, can lead to success. Success is not a destination, but rather a journey that requires consistent effort, determination, and positive habits. By truly understanding and applying this proverb to our lives, we can ensure that we are consistently sowing seeds of success. This means taking responsibility for our actions, always striving for improvement, and maintaining a growth mindset. In conclusion, the proverb, as you sow, so shall you reap, teaches us the importance of being mindful of our actions and decisions, as they will ultimately determine our outcomes in life. By applying this principle to our lives, we can overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success. Remember, it's the daily choices we make and the habits we cultivate that will determine the harvest we reap in life. So, let's all start sowing seeds of positivity, hard work, and determination, and watch as we reap the rewards of our efforts. Thank you for joining me in today's video tutorial. I hope you found this discussion insightful and that you can apply these principles to your own life. Until next time, keep sowing those seeds of success. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.